Hello everybody, my name is Connor and I'm working in Canada with El Tío Jajo. Today I forgot my lunch and Jajo showed me how to have a nice lunch with just $2.50. So we went to Dollarama, got those delicious sausages, Vienna sausage, for $1.75. And 3 of this kind for $1. So we boiled up some water, mixed everything together, and this will bring me through the day. That's what Jajo said. Thank you. I forgot, people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell. We need the 500 followers.